हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं डॉक्टर जितेंद्र मोहन, रुवट्टा जौनपुर। आज हम लोग हाइपोग्लाइसीमिया ड्रॉप्स डॉक्टर रिक्वेक के R86 के बारे में, होम्योपैथिक मेडिसिन के बारे में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। फटीग, डिप्रेशन, पोस्ट prandial irritability, headache, food craving, inability to concentrate, eating helps symptoms, craving stimulants, hypoadrenia or other hypoglycemic symptoms। इसमें कमजोरी में चाइना 30, कार्बोवेट 30, आर्सेनिक अल्बा 30 or 200, रस्टाक्स 200, एसिड फॉस 30, बारी बारी से 5 बूंद आधे आधे घंटे पे 1 गिलास बॉइल्ड गुनगुना पानी में लेने से बहुत जल्दी फ़ायदा हो जाता है। फिर आधे घंटे के बाद नक्स वन का 200, एड्रीनालिन नम 30 या 200, थीपरसल्फ 30 या 200, हाइपोफाइसिस 30 या 200, हाइपोथैलेमस इंसुलिनम 30 या 200 फॉर ग्लैंडुलर रेगुलेशन ऑफ द ब्लड शुगर चेन, सैक्रम 30 या 200, 5 बूंद 1 गिलास बॉइल्ड गुनगुना पानी में लेने to reverse the addictive properties। In case of stress, use Beta C 15, Beta C 15, 40 with compromised digestion R5, R7, R37, R72, hormonal disturbances R19, R20, anemia R31, R37, R40, advanced stages early diabetic, R40, nervous cases R22, R36, R47, vertigo R29, functional brain disturbances R54, climatic complaints R10, R28, R75। 5 बूंद 1 गिलास बॉइल्ड गुनगुना पानी में लेने से बहुत जल्दी फ़ायदा हो जाता है। हाइपोग्लाइसीमिया और लो ब्लड शुगर यूज मीन्स hyperinsulin response to food। The classic hypoglycemic does not have chronically low blood sugar, but rather a highly variable blood sugar which fluctuates from high to very low levels। This fluctuation disrupts brain function and musculature performances, leading to the body and mind fatigue, irritability, depression, indecisiveness, and a host of miscellaneous symptoms। The natural mechanism of the blood sugar regulation is conducted by the hypothalamus and pituitary, which release hormones up detection of low blood sugar levels। The hormonal message may act in three ways. If there is food in the digestive tract, these hormones trigger pancreatic insulin release, or in the process of lipogenolysis. The hormones from adrenal release of minerals and glucocorticoids to stimulate the liver release of glycogen stores. Adipose transition into glucose occurs through glyconeogenesis, which is also contingent on release by the pituitary and hypothalamus to the adrenal. Disorders of this process come primarily from the following: stress in the particular around eating, which causes erratic digestion. Too many processed carbohydrates such as white sugar and white flour, which cause excess release of insulin and burn too fast in the system. Toxic fever from a toxic environment or from excess food additives which burn the hepatic system. Hypothalamic condition prompting early release of insulin in anticipation of food. Those people exhibiting this syndrome are often conditioned to the use food to satisfy other non-nutritional needs such as love, self-worth, boredom, etc. Sugar and other stimulants addiction. Processed sugar is chemically similar to the caffeine, nicotine, chocolate, etc. all act to artificially stimulate the organism in the place of good nutrition. Long-term addiction upsets the blood sugar balance and levels the blood sugar thermostat with too wide a range of on and off setting. Poor quality of nutrition. Processed carbohydrates are robbed of their vitamins and minerals needed to balance the Krebs cycle, which converts glucose into ATP, putting back synthetic vitamins by enriching the wheat does treated as natural vitamins in their original form work best in the Krebs cycle. Fresh and raw natural fruits and vegetables with unprocessed grains, high fiber of mineral absorption, low fat, especially wheat treated fat, and lots of good water go a long way to help the hypoglycemic. Weakened digestion from poor quality nutrition. Organs supply little of the fatty acids, minerals, fat, water soluble vitamins needed for the production of good quality. Glucoregulating hormones treat digestion with enzymatic and or emulsifying agents in the intestine. Lack of metabolic load, glucose converts to ATP best with oxygen. Poor condition means poor oxygen transport and utilization. The best measure of wellness is oxygen utilization. The Krebs cycle will work more and more efficiently as the oxygen or aerobic capacity improves. A mental system stuck in worry, depression, negativity, and questioning of self-worth. We know that the mind affects directly the parasympathetic organs of the immune, digestive and hormonal systems. As the system becomes more unhealthy, the mindset sometimes becomes more negative. Patients must break this downward cycle to cure hypoglycemia. Perhaps the true cause of hypoglycemia is living in the present day and age and age of stress, worry, fear, unnatural food, little conditioning, toxic air and water. Hypoglycemia opens the door to other illness to those or we need a total effort. This product can be a good start, but we encourage lifestyle changes as well. Thank you, sir. इसमें आर्सेनिक अल्वा फॉर मेंटल फटीग एंड एग्जॉशन 30 या 200 5 बूंद 1 गिलास बॉयल्ड गुनगुना पानी में लेने से बहुत अच्छा फ़ायदा होता है। एड्रेनालिनम 30 या 200 हिपरसल्फ 30 या 200 हाइपोफाइसिस 30 या 200 हाइपोथैलेमस इंसुलिनम 30 या 200 लेने से ग्लैंडुलर रेगुलेशन ऑफ द ब्लड शुगर चेन बहुत अच्छा फ़ायदा होगा। एडिनोसिन ट्राइफॉस्फेट फॉर एनर्जी स्टेबलाइजेशन, नक्स वोमिका 200 फॉर फूड क्रेविंग, ऑइनन हीरा बेनाइन बेनिस रेगुलेट शुगर मेटाबॉलिज्म, सैक्रम 30 या 200 to reverse the addictive properties. Thank you, sir. धन्यवाद।